The HR Policy Setup section allows you to enter detailed policy information that outlines the rules, regulations, and guidelines your organization follows to manage human resources effectively. These policies serve as a framework for maintaining consistency, fairness, and clarity in various HR-related processes. To add a new HR policy, simply click on the Add HR Policy icon. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the title of the policy, followed by a comprehensive description that clearly explains the specific policy's purpose, scope, and applicable guidelines. Once all the details are filled in, click the Save button and confirm the process. The HR policy entry will then be securely stored in your school's database. You can continue adding additional policy entries as needed by repeating the same steps. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit icon in the Actions section, or use the Delete icon to remove an entry. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.